This is one of our absolute favorite campgrounds. It's in the middle of Barberton, South Africa. With tremendous history, this thing's been the center point for the four-trekkers or the pioneers way back for the Boer Wars. The English had it, the Boers had it. You see these old trees, you wonder what they could tell you about all that's happening here. And within a year, this is all going to be torn down and built into a shopping center. Concrete and buildings, all the modern stuff, so that people can buy their bonbons. Makes you sick.
The old trail right through here.
That's true, that's the old trail.
The jacarandas are gone.
Yeah, there's the
Used to be the
old trail from the four trekkers.
through here between these big jacaranda trees.
Yeah, going that way.
Yeah. And then over here is this, there's two of these big trees that are now dead that were here 3 years ago. And where that little green tent is where we were camped before.
Yeah, that's true.
And with these beautiful big trees that are now dead. Apparently they've lost about 3 or 4 of them for the drought and stuff here.
You know, and for us it's sad because we've got to know the wildlife in here. It's the birds, and there's a resident cat, and it's just kind of not a metaphor, but the fact of what happens with the world, isn't it? Our consumerism just swallows us up.